Different types of birds come to our garden daily, and we used to feed them. Today we thought of making them a feeding table. Since there's no such table to be purchased, we decided to make one our own. Here's a quick walkthrough. First, we made a frame using 2x2 lath. Frame size around 1 by 2 feet. To have a smooth surface, we used a garbage bag. Any soft polythene should do the trick. A thin layer of concrete was put down, and the wire mesh is fixed to hold the concrete. PVC pipe is used to fit the table, and another layer of concrete is laid. Next, let it dry. After 24 hours, we removed the frame. The finish is not perfect, but for starters, it's not bad. Finally, the table is ready to serve the visitors. Check out who is coming to inspect. Feeding time. Asian coal bird is the first to try out our feast. While some are still enjoying the food, others work out to get ready for the next round.